Hey guys, so for this video we're going to be unboxing Disney's Mary Poppins. This is the original. This steelbook came out at the same time as the new movie Mary Poppins Returns. So, but I only got this one, I didn't get the new one. I remember a couple of these songs from my music class that would make us watch this movie a lot. And I thought the steelbook was really vibrant, red looking. I liked it. But yeah, let's open this. Kind of bummed out though that it didn't make this one in 4K, but knowing Disney, they're probably just wanting us to buy this one, and then later they're gonna come out with the 4K, so we can buy that as well. Yeah, here's the steelbook. Here's the back J card. You guys wanna look at those features? It was really nice, very vibrant red, and this is matte, and this is like plasticky, I'm guessing, or I don't know how to explain it. I don't know if the lighting will help visualize how it is. Here's the spine and the front, the same type of matte and then like I guess glossiness going on. Side. It's the Blu-ray disc art. And the DVD. It's the artwork on the full steel. And the back. Yeah guys, thanks for watching.